What's up guys, Trey here with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we're checking out these Mammoth 2-inch billet wheel spacers in black, designed to fit the 1987 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler, YJ, and TJs. These spacers are going to be a perfect option for Jeep owners looking to improve their stance with a little extra tire poke, correct tire clearance issues, and achieve a more aggressive look on their rig. These 2-inch wheel spacers offer a simple yet effective solution for enhancing your Jeep's wheel setup. By pushing your wheels out this extra 2 inches, they provide additional clearance to prevent rubbing with larger tires or aftermarket suspension setups. They also improve stability and handling by widening your Jeep's overall track width. The spacers are going to come pre-installed with these 1/2-inch high-grade 6 studs for a secure and reliable fit. Their hub-centric design ensures proper alignment with your factory hubs, reducing the risk of vibrations or uneven tire wear. Compatible with both factory and aftermarket wheels, these spacers deliver added versatility to your Jeep setup. These are going to be built with high-strength yet lightweight T6 billet aluminum. These wheel spacers are engineered for durability and resistance to corrosion. This black anodized finish not only enhances the look, but also adds an extra layer of protection against the elements and rust and corrosion. With precise machining, these spacers ensure a perfect fit for your Wrangler, maintaining safety and reliability. Now, as far as pricing goes on these Mammoth 2-inch billet wheel spacers are coming in right around the low $100 price range for the pair, making them an affordable upgrade to change your Wrangler stance, giving it that nice customized look. Installing these 2-inch spacers is going to be really straightforward, taking only about 1 hour of your time with basic tools and a torque wrench for proper torquing, which is critical to make sure you get a safe and secure fit. So on our difficulty meter, we're giving this a 1 out of 3 wrenches. Now, let's check out exactly how they go on with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
Tools we need right here, we're gonna need a lug wrench or an impact wrench with a lug nut socket. We're gonna need a torque wrench, and we're gonna need a wire brush. We're gonna need jack stands and a jack. If you have a car like this, if you're jacking up the back or the front, put your emergency brake on. If the emergency brake don't work, put chocks behind your wheels so that the car doesn't roll or shift once you bring it up. We got it on the jack. I don't have my lift hooked up, so I can't lift the whole vehicle up, so I'm only going to be able to do one tire at a time with the jack stand. We got the tire off. Obviously we got some rust here, which we've had some issues with this car. This car came from down off the coast, so we've had some corrosion and rust on it. So anytime I have a vehicle up and I'm working on it, I always take a moment to look at this stuff, inspect it. I want to look really close at my brake pads. I'm going to look at my rotor to make sure here everything's good, smooth, nothing real bad. And then I'm going to look at my brake lines back in here, and I don't see no oil or nothing leaking. Everything's clean. Paint's still on the calipers. We got plenty brake wear, looks like. All of this stuff is in pretty good shape. We do have some rust coming through on it, but it is an older vehicle. Let's clean this up with a wire brush. Wire brush it, get as much rust as we can off of it so that it doesn't continue to corrode underneath. So what's going to happen is this is going to turn when I try to torque it into place. So to hold it in place, what I'm going to do is you can go inside the little slot right here of the rotor, and that's going to hit against the brake caliper. Before we put that on, Extreme sent us Loctite. We just want to put a little bit. All right. I'm gonna put these on just with my fingers, just finger tight, kind of snug, and get them into place. I want everything snugged up and centered. We got all 5 of them on there. It's in place. Lug nuts are snug down. Everything was clean behind it. They recommend anywhere from 85 to 110 pounds of torque. We are not installing these because we're off-road. We're installing these to give the car a little bit more, the vehicle a little bit more stability, and make it look a little more aggressive. So I'm kind of picking the middle of the road. I'm gonna go right at 100 pounds torque. And I have just a regular, it's a click torque wrench, and I've got it set right at 100. So I'm gonna lock it in right there. And you wanna just snug them to start with, and you're gonna do a star pattern. Always do a star pattern on your lugs so that you don't put it on and it not be bedded back here properly. So once they get everything down good and tight, put some wood snug. This is gonna be my last one. We'll snug this one down. I'm gonna go ahead and that's 100 pounds of torque. Then I'm gonna go right back in the same order I was in. Okay, that one's on.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Mammoth 2-inch billet wheel spacers in black for the 1987 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler YJs and TJs. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.